Hi everyone! Once again, it's me Myra and welcome to our channel. So I hope all of you, everyone, have a nice day. And for today, I would like to share something to all of you. It's very simple only, but I decided to share it to all of you because it's my pleasure that I want to share this kind of something. So if you are interested, then stay tuned and happy watching. So anyway, before I start, a little bit short story. My mom diagnosed have a heart attack. So since that time, she have a maintenance every month. So because of that, since that time that she become a diagnosed heart problem, the doctor tell us that my mom needs to be aware of everything what she eat. And because of that, me and my family decided to encourage her to eat healthier foods and to become more healthy lifestyle. Before, she doesn't love to stretching whatever or exercise, but for now, every morning she try in the rooftop at least 15 minutes. And she start also to eat healthy foods like everything, as long as green and fruits, something like that. But for now, I'm going to share this one. So guess what it is? So it's have roots, right? So it's a lot. So anyway, this is all about spinach. So this is the roots of the spinach, and the leaves of this, one handful spinach, I already boiled it with garlic and onion and a little bit calamansi for mom today. Because of that, it's supposed to be trash already, but I decided not to throw because I can see it have a chance to grow, right? So I'm going to try to put it on the soil upstairs in the rooftop, and I hope it grow, because we all know that spinach is very healthy and it has a lot of nutrients and health benefits. So you can find it in the Google, you can search there, because spinach gives a lot of very good health benefits to the body. See, you can see like that. Yeah, so I think it's very easy to grow because of already ready the roots. So yeah, it's my pleasure to share. Don't throw. If you found like this, try to put it on the soil. Why not? Maybe tomorrow it grow, or after 3 days or 1 week, diba? here now in the rooftop, and pasensya na kung ganito yung itsura ko. So there's no any space extra for my spinach roots. That's why I think it's enough to put it there. So this is the pandan, because it's so hot. That's why like that. It's getting not so good. But every day my mom watering all of them, but still like that. And yeah, I'm going to put up all around here. The important is at least I try. Okay, let me start. So I just make a small hole. Be careful. Then I'm gonna try this tree. Put it there. So I really hope it works. And another one here. So 3 again. Oh, so sorry. And then one more. This is unexpected unexpected plan. So okay, last one here. And I'm going to add the other spinach roots to the other soil. So yeah, just like this. I must to cut this one to become look like nice. So yeah, this is it. I hope they grow after 1 week. So I'm going to watering all of them, and then that's it. So yeah. It's so beautiful. Oh, gracious. Pawis na ako. Grabe, ang dumi ng kuko ko. Oh. So ayan. Katapos ko lang magtanim. Grabe. Pero nakakatuwa siya, di ba? Always remember, always do what makes you happy, as long as it is right, it is good. So don't mind what might people think, what might people say, or blah blah blah. It doesn't matter. The important is your heart, your mind, and everything you do is good. So never forget that. Ay, may lamgam. There is a black ant on my hand. So my tripod is really works. Before, I always using my hand, not tripod at all. But for now, I found it like it's nice. So thank you for those people who encouraged me to use tripod, which is my sister, because every time she watches my vlog, she always bashing me. Oh, it's so ugly. You must use the tripod. So when I go to the SM, so I try to find the cheapest one, which is this one that I'm using. I think it's only 200, but soon I'm going to upgrade. I'm going to try the bigger one, which is around 600. So yeah, good luck for that. So anyway, bye bye.